Welcome back to another video. Today's topic is all about how you can remove security plugin on Android device. To do that, follow the simple steps. First, go to Settings and then scroll down until you find Security. Tap on it. After that, navigate to Device Admin Apps. Open it. Here, this icon is the security plugin. In my case, I didn't turn it on because I don't need that. So if it is on in your phone, just toggle it off. However, this method may not always work, especially if you have certain apps like PalmPay or EasyBuy that have been granted access to your device's security settings, limiting you to remove the security plugin. If you've given such apps access, all you need to do is uninstall it. After that, go back again to the device admin apps, and that should enable you to remove security plugin. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.